So first creation of account group /n OBD2
/n OB2, right?
/n OBD2.
D2.
Company code. So here click on new entries, account group BD12, meaning customer account. Here click on company code data. Here double click on account management. Here reconciliation account required entry and cash management group surplus and save.
This and
Next
all an
creation.
AP sub. This and all AP sub vendors creation, right?
Yes sir.
In AP, one part of these things we are doing, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So next creation of number range for customer account /n xdn1. Here click on change intervals. Here click on insert line. So review normal, if we are able to create, we can create, otherwise we can use default one. So it is showing intervals without overlap, so we are not able to create. If we give anything also, we are not able to create, so we can use any default one in these numbers. While assigning, we have to give that number.
For this, I need to enter manually one by one, or I can copy paste as a bulk the Excel to this.
This one, sir.
Yes.
So this one no need to create, sir. Actually here I have given 13 now, sir.
Okay.
I have click on insert line item. I have given 13 or 14, anything number. This particular number will be given by the client. This is for normal. Will not use this one. Why we are creating the number range means, while we are posting the entries, it will ask. If we did not post this one, we are not able to post the entries.
Okay.
Okay, now sir.
Okay.
So next, assign number range to customer group /n OBAR. Here click on position, company code. Here number range, we can select. I have already said no. Here we can select whatever we want. So I am selecting 4 lakh. So 8 I am selecting. Enter and save. Next one, for creating of customer accounts, we need domestic customer and advance for domestic customer. So GL account /n FS00. Domestic customer is under live asset. So 2 lakh 04. Here click on create.
Domestic customer sir.
Sir,
Domestic customer.
sir voice audible లేదు sir. క్రియేట్ చేసామంటున్నారా సార్? We did not create. Yeah sir.
సారీ ఒక కాల్ వచ్చేసింది దానివల్ల.
యా ఓకే సార్. సార్ ఏమో చెప్తున్నారు?
డొమెస్టిక్ కస్టమర్ వచ్చి అసెట్లో వస్తుందా అని అడుగుతున్నా.
ఎసెట్లో కాదు సార్, డొమెస్టిక్ కస్టమర్. So 2 lakh 4. Here click on create. Here asset under balance sheet. Text domestic customer account. Here control data. Here we have to give reconciliation account as customer, line item display, and here short key 001. Here create bank or interest. This is reconciliation account, so Z067. So enter and save. So next one, advance from domestic customer. It will be under liability. So 1 lakh 04. Here liability, balance sheet. Advance from domestic customer. This one is also under reconciliation account. So customer. Here line item display and short key. Click on create. This one also reconciliation account Z067. Enter and save. So next one, link between domestic customer and advance from domestic customer. OBXR/N OBXR. So here 9 I am giving. This is like domestic customer account. So double click on 9 here. Chart of accounts. Here domestic customer GL account. Special GL account is like advance from domestic customer. So enter and save. Next one, define number range document. Define document number ranges for customer account /N FBN1. Here company code. Here click on change intervals.